Hi, my name is Matt Ramage, and today we are here in my studio. We're based in Riversdale, right near the downtown here in Saskatoon. We are a production house, so we do photography, videography, and design work here.
Hey, I'm Dustin Ratzlaff. I'm the owner and founder of unINK Marketing Creative Agency, a small digital agency based in Saskatoon.
Hi, my name is Andy Yuen. I'm the owner-operator of Odd Couple Restaurant in Saskatoon. We sell non-typical Asian food.
My name is Sheena Beatty and I'm one of the owners of Rowhouse. Our business is a boutique fitness studio. You're lifting lots of weights, you're rowing, and it's a super efficient workout.
My name is Lorne Prefontaine and I'm a co-owner of Rowhouse in Saskatoon.
So being an entrepreneur wasn't a thing I wanted to be, and it was the part I actually hated the most about what I do. I really just wanted to take pictures and make a living off of it, be creative.
I started my first company when I was in high school. So I was designing t-shirts. In university, I actually bought a screen printer.
I had previously worked in a very fast-paced corporate world. I was missing my family. I was missing out on a lot of things that were important to me. I always liked the idea of boutique fitness, and I was rowing at home a lot and seeing a lot of benefits from that. And so a light bulb went off, and I thought maybe that's something that I could do really well.
I was working in a corporate career, and similar to my business partner, it was a high-stress career, which was very rewarding in a lot of ways, but it also was very taxing. My now business partner, Sheena, had been rowing indoors, talking about the benefits, and she came up with this idea that she'd like to open up this studio.
The nice thing about entrepreneurship is that you get to wear a lot of different hats.
My favorite part about being an entrepreneur is the people. They come to me with a problem they want to solve, and we get to be part of that solution, and it's like very fun to go through that process. We're trying to help them get what they want, trying to make something really neat and cool.
Entrepreneurship offers a really great opportunity for creative thinking and problem solving. It also allows you to sort of pick the types of people that you want to work with.
So one of the fun things about being an entrepreneur is every day is different.
I think for me particularly, I really appreciate that people love and appreciate the food.
Being an entrepreneur is very challenging at times. As you grow, you have success, but you also have like failure on like an equal level, so you just play at a higher level.
Entrepreneurship comes with ebbs and flows. To be a successful entrepreneur, you likely need to be fairly mentally and emotionally engaged with your business.
Challenges are inevitable, and I think you have two ways to approach them. You can either approach it and look at the positive, or focus on the negative, and if you focus on the negative, you can kind of like spin out of control. With challenge comes growth.
But the challenge is the fun part, and one of the things we do as a company is we do quarterly planning, and we have like weekly meetings and daily meetings with our team, and we have a goal we're aiming at.
For young entrepreneurs, I think the way you need to approach things is if you have an idea or an interest and you think that you want to be an entrepreneur, I think you should absolutely go for it. I think you need to trust in yourself.
Don't sit on your idea for too long. Take a risk. You can always pivot if it doesn't work out.
If you're going to be an entrepreneur, do your homework. Whatever business that you're going after, there's already probably people that have done something similar.
Taking that first step and applying yourself and taking meaningful steps in the direction of the business that you're trying to build and in your dreams is a good thing.